Hi everyone, here we go with our M4.4 blended learning tutorial. And with this tutorial, what we'd like you to do is to present your teaching to me in a 40-minute lesson. And when you're thinking about this, the video that you're creating won't last 40 minutes because you need to figure in time for how each activity will occur. So you want to go ahead and click on this link here. And while you're doing that, if you scroll down, and this is the sequence that you should be taking. With this sequence, if you want to go ahead and think about how long each one of these activities would take. So figure that into your lesson plan when you're thinking about timing. Okay, so I just wanted to be clear on that. For your lesson plan, you can do a mixture of original and other sources. You need to include 40% of your material must be original. Excuse me, that's 50%. I'm sorry. It's 50% must be original and 50% can be from other sources. So don't think that you have to invent everything. It's just like a 50-50 situation. So these are the different things you can use, and then want to make sure you upload it to Canvas Dropbox. So here's the resources that we've been working on throughout the class. The blue portion is that's been highlighted for the micro teaching proposal. And then if you go down here, this is all the information that we've been working on so far. So if you want to go ahead and think on that one. And then if you look here, you want to do a differentiation, excuse me, for one of these individuals. Okay, so when you're doing your lesson plan and you get down to here where you're filling out the actual lesson plan itself, you want to think about what you'd be doing during this time, what the student would be doing, and what differentiation you would need to be doing for your particular case study. Okay, so don't think like you have to differentiate for all of them, just one particular case study. Okay, so there's the case studies, and then here's the differentiation tools. Okay, so there's this section of them. You want to think about the what, how, and why. Here's your assistive technology, and that goes from low, middle, and high technology. And if you want to look at this portion, it has the assessments as oral, visual, and written, some different things that students can do. And then this, when you get it your own document, you can zoom in closer. It does have different resources to differentiate your learning experience as well. Okay, so so make sure you look at the class-made resource, and then if it would help you too to look at the case study information that we did together in class. You want to look at the students, and then these are some of the technology tools that we talked about that we thought might be useful in that as well. Okay, so once you get your lesson plan all organized and in the format, and you've added all your standards and all that information, you want to go ahead and record yourself. You can go ahead and use Screencast-O-Matic, anything listed here below. And if you have a different idea of what you'd like to do to record, please let me know, and you can give that, present that information to me, and we'll go ahead and get you taken care of that way as well. So I look forward to your listening and watching your lesson plans. I can't wait. So, and please make sure to get a hold of me if you have any further questions.